are discussing with one of the important chapter, our CBSE board textbook, real numbers. That is, what is mean by a real number? A real number means a connective of number system. That is, very beginning, all of you know very well about the natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers which we generally use for the counting. That is, in the least number of the natural numbers is a 1 and the highest number is cannot define. That is, n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is, in the set of natural numbers, the least number is the 1 and the highest number we cannot define. And the set of natural numbers are denoted with capital N. Next, set of whole numbers. How to define a whole number? Whole numbers are the numbers. To the natural numbers you include 0, then the set of numbers formed is called a set of whole numbers. That means in the set of whole numbers, the least number is a 0 and the highest number is not defined. Next, what is meant by a integer? Next, set of integers. How set of integers will form? The set of the group of negative numbers and the positive numbers together 0 will form a set of integers. Integers are denoted by the letter I or Z. That is, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means the least number of the integers we cannot define, and at the same time the maximum number of the integers also we cannot define. Next, irrational number. How to define a rational number? Rational numbers are denoted with the letter Q. Very beginning, what is meant by rational numbers? Rational numbers are of the form P by Q. That means a numbers are which are of the form fraction form, there is a P by Q form, are called rational numbers. Here P comma Q are collected from the integers, that is Z, and Q not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational numbers. Now we can discuss more about the rational numbers. That is, a number which are of the form P by Q are all rational numbers? Yes. The numbers which we can mention in the form of P by Q are we can call as a rational numbers. Now see, after this one, every rational number can be expressed as in two different forms. That is, either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Next, what are the mean by terminating decimal? Terminating decimal means which will get the remainder 0. Suppose for example 5 by 2. 5 by 2 nothing but 2.5. Next, secondly 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means approximately there is a 3.33333, so on, that which is called as 3.3 bar. That is, which is a terminating decimal, which is a non-terminating repeating decimal. That is, terminating, non-terminating repeating, non-terminating repeating. These two are called rational numbers, denoted with the Q. That means every rational number can be expressed as either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Then one more, decimals are 3 in types. Number 1 terminating, number 2 non-terminating, number 3 non-terminating repeating. Among the 3, 2 are selected as rational numbers. Then what about the third one, which is called as an irrational numbers? That is, irrational numbers are denoted with, next one, non-terminating repeating over. Next, non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals are denoted with q dash, that is irrational numbers. Therefore, the union of, that is union of rationals and irrationals, we can call as a real numbers. That means, in some people we also, they mention q dash also with s. Therefore, what we understand mean by real number? A real number is a combination of rational and irrational. Okay, from our previous knowledge, we can decide that all natural numbers are whole numbers. That is, natural numbers is subset to whole numbers, and all whole numbers are integers. That is, whole numbers is subset to integers, and all integers are subset to the rational numbers. Now, in the number system, the least number system is the natural numbers, and the biggest in this group is the rational. Now, q dash is separate from this. That means q and q dash are quite different to each other. Now, that is, if you combine these two, that is rational numbers union irrational numbers, will gives you a real number.